What did that make you feel when you first saw AlphaZero play?
I was excited. I didn't have any sort of existential thoughts. I enjoyed watching it completely destroy openings that people thought were good, and that experiment though does have some caveat in the sense that I think AlphaZero was playing with a full tank of servers, and I think Stockfish wasn't, which I think is one of the things people point out. They weren't playing.
But since then they were able to demonstrate much less.
Yeah,
but also AlphaZero stopped developing. They stopped developing it.
Yes.
Which sucks. But again, from their perspective, from DeepMind's perspective, it's like, all right, well, we took on this really tricky game, did something honestly incredible.
They won. They won. I mean,
well, not just one. I mean, they did it without any human supervision. So, like, without any training on human expert games.
Mm-hmm.
So only through self-play, which, I mean, that's what learning is about. It's like, it's what you think of as a child, a human child, a toddler, learning from, somewhat nothing and becoming a capable human. That's what we think of when we think about intelligence. So the fact that it's able to play itself and become the best player in the world at the game of Go and all kinds of games is just incredible. And obviously that inspired the modern Stockfish.
Yeah.
To do all the same kind of self-play methods.